Remember Ski-Free? Microsoft is one-upping Google Chrome's hidden dinosaur game. Microsoft Edge has a secret surfing game that works offline. It's ski-free with a fresh new coat of paint, swapping out Yetis for the Kraken. It was added in Microsoft Edge 83, released in May 2020. Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to play Microsoft Edge's secret surfing game. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. The question is how to access the surfing game. To access the game, type Edge, surf into Edge's address bar and press enter. It will load immediately. The Edge, part of the address, signifies this is an internal page that's built into the Microsoft Edge application itself. You'll see the character select screen. Use the left and right arrow keys and space bar to select a character and start playing. And that's it, you will have the gaming screen. Enjoy.